Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the 10th annual Europa Property Investment and Manufacturing Awards. This year, as you can see, we're live and online, transmitting to the world.
And the next category is Property Manager of the Year.
Sponsored by Hayes.
Sponsored by Hayes.
And
here is the
short list.
Yeah.
Actually, there was a lot of great property managers this year that had put in nominations. I'll give you that
Here they
first
are.
one. Yeah.
Bogdan Szczerbyna, White Star Real Estate, Małgorzata Sęk, BNP Paribas Real Estate, Michał Chodkowski, Adgar, Piotr Kowandi, CBRE, and Wojciech Lichota, also CBRE.
Wow, so very good list.
And I believe we have a few words from Hayes, our sponsor of this category.
I'm sure we do. So let's hear what they have to say. Welcome, and thank you for sponsoring this award.
My name is and I represent Hayes Company, the world-leading recruitment agency. Every day we change people's lives for better, and today we are honored to be hanging up Property Manager Award. We are really excited who will be the winner. Enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you, and thank you, Hayes, for sponsoring this award. And
we're excited too.
Let's see who the winner is. Yes, exactly. And Hayes, being such a great company and supplying top managers around, they know who the best ones are. So the winner is, in this category, is
Małgorzata Sęk.
Małgorzata Sęk from PNB Paribas Real Estate.
Bravo.
Congratulations, bravo.
Congratulations, Małgorzata, and what a fantastic award.
Yeah.